Hello, grads of FinLearn Academy and fellow traders. Let's do a recap of the market and let's see what markets are looking for the next week. So let's analyze the broad market, which is Nifty. If we see that for the few trading sessions, what Nifty has done is it has remained sideways. And when we say it has remained sideways in respect to the support over here and the resistance are around the recent highs. So right now we can say that Nifty is trading around this resistance. So what to expect as a trader once this resistance is breached? Fine. Now always market when it reaches the all-time high for us as a traders to make a projections. The first basic tool which we have is our channel. So I'll plot a channel on Nifty. I'll connect these three lowest points and join it at the high. Right? So which shows us that if we have a breakout which is past the recent high, the upside on the market looks like on the channel high. If I see a projection around 18,000 odd levels, right? So for a trader, market is range bound with lots of volatility and downside is around the support level. You can take this entire one. So any and remember one thing, there is a gap over here. So any decline in the near to short term should find support at the gap around 17,600 levels. So we are trading in a broad range of 400 points on Nifty. Upside, every move seems to be capped, which means the moment we cross the recent high, we see a profit taking. The moment we cross the recent high on the channel projection, it again showing a 200 points up move and probably will see a swing high, again a decline. And this is happening on context of sectorial rotation, which is happening. So you had the energy sector moving up, then you had the uh, IT sectors moving up, so rotation is continuing, and instead of a strong up move, you are seeing a grinding up move, in which the channel keep a watch on this channel. Right? All the lows and the highs are within this channel. So from here on, as a short-term trader, you should be trading this channel both on the downside and on the upside. Let's see on which side the channel breaks. But upside the moves, what we are seeing is in a channel they get resistance around that. So as per current, once this high is taken out, which is the resistance, yet it is not taken out, so I'm not preempting. So once this high is out, expect another 200 odd points rally in Nifty. Any dips or declines in the near term should find support around the trend line. So you have a confluence at support. A, there is a trend line. B, there is this gap over here. And third one, you have a support over here. Fine. So this level 17,500 is a key level for traders to buy on dips and declines. Below that, apply risk management. Now let me take you to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what we are seeing is that it's struggling around the all-time high. Why? Because the leadership in terms of price movement has shifted to this energy, has shifted to IT. So, and banks, even if you see on a Friday in front of your screen, when Nifty was 100 points up, bank had underperformed 22 points up, IT had outperformed, and energy had outperformed. So, Bank Nifty is showing a struggle around the all time high, which is here, right? But at the same time, it's not giving up in the sense that a strong decline or something like that. It is just gone sideways around the recent highs. So what we are seeing is whipsawing the all-time high. It breaks the all-time high, goes up. Again, the moment it comes below the all-time high, there is a decline. So this whipsawing is likely to continue till we don't see emergence of leadership from some of the banking stocks like the leaders HDFC Bank, Axis, ICICI, or an SBI. Till that point of time, for Bank Nifty, let's trade this range, which is the resistance around the recent highs and the support around the recent low. Fine. So once this high breaks, the same way the way we drew the channel on Nifty, we'll draw the channel on Bank Nifty. Then we can make a projection on the upside. So right now you are trading a sideways market, which will show you a high amount of choppiness and volatility. Once this high is breached, then we can expect Bank Nifty to go and test 38,700 odd levels on the upside. So next week is watch for breakouts on above the highs on Nifty or Bank Nifty for further up move. But at the same time, that 200, 300 points move in Nifty is making it too much stretch on the upside and overbought, and it's also taking to the channel high. So you are now trading a market with a positive bias, but at the same time, any up move is making you overbought, and any declines based on volatility or short-term dips is finding support because you have a strong basis being created on its way up. So volatile week ahead, range likely to continue. As a breakout, you'll have one more burst of momentum. So and as a trader, you can plan whether you want to trade the momentum, then wait for the break above the high, or let prices, if there is a decline, trade the retracement to the support. So you have both the trades open for the next week, either a retracement to the support levels on Nifty or Bank Nifty, or a breakout trade, which is a momentum trade, break above the recent high, both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that was on the weekly recap on the broad market, which is Nifty and Bank Nifty.